Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In my today's this video, I will show you how you can fix the camera app problem in your device OPPO Reno 6 and Reno 6 Pro. So if in this device, if you are having any problem related to the camera app, like your app is not working or any other camera related issue, you can fix it by following the few steps as I'm going to show you in my this video tutorial. So before we move to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now you have to follow the steps, watch the video and you will learn how you can fix the camera problem in your device. Let's watch it.